this is Neil the Science Kid, my first video. So today we are going to, this experiment is about sinking and floating. So what we're going to use is a Lego figure, a stick, and a candle, and a rock, and a keychain, and a pom-pom, and a ball, and a rubber, and a feather, and a coin. So first we are going to use a rock. It sinked. So now we're going to use a candle. It floats. And also the stick, it floats. And this Lego figure floats. And this keychain sinks. And this pom-pom floats. And this, the pom-pom sinks. So the ball floats. And the rubber sinks. So the coin sinks. And the feather floats. So I had 10 things. 6 things floated. A stick, a pom-pom, a feather, and a candle, and a ball, and a Lego figurine, and the things were sunk. There were 4 things were sunk, and there was a keychain, a wonder coin, a rock, and a rubber. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. And don't forget to click the bell.